This is Professor Sanchez, and I'd like to give you a brief tour of our course. So for English 102, you're going to have a number of things you can go to here on the left, our homepage, which will bring you here, the syllabus. You can download a copy here, or it's copied and pasted as well. It's a little bit neater and prettier in the file document. Modules will bring you to where you'll do your work in the class. So you'll always start with the week overview, thought of the week, and then continue on through the things that you need to do each week. So for week 1, you'll come in here and take a look at the overview. You'll notice that I have things broken down into 3 sections. Things you'll do before you come to class. So we do meet in person once a week. These are the things you need to have accomplished before you come to class. These are the things we will be doing during class. And then these are the things that you'll do the rest of the week before Sunday night. These things will be due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday night, typically if it's an assignment, or it will be something to prepare you for the following week. Okay, so for this week, the one thing you want to make sure you do before class is post on our discussion board, and also if you have a chance, look over the syllabus. You can also check your grades on here, email people in the class, set up online meetings with me. There's a lot of options that we have that we'll talk more about when I see you. Okay, so after you look at the overview, there's also a thought of the week every week to sort of inspire you, motivate you, keep you going. And then this week you'll need to post in the discussions. This explains what you need to do and also includes a rubric, but if you have questions, let me know. I've already posted here. And then the last thing for this week is just a content page with some links you can check out about plagiarism. So that's all for this week, and I will then see you in class. Have a good one.